Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the SHIB update today. And SHIB right now is on a sideways consolidation movement, and many people may think, oh, SHIB is interested to go down and this and that. But I think SHIB wants to do something that it did before, and that is when it pumped up, we saw SHIB coming down and then moving up. So we could look at SHIB, try to just do something like this and then continue to push up. I do believe SHIB is probably meant to go back to the all-time high. I'm just gonna be honest with you, okay? I'm not going to beat around the bush. I think SHIB is really meant to go back to the all-time high, and not just that, create a new one and even above that. Now the thing is, if you missed SHIB, I know a lot of you may have missed Kishu, and in my private channel, when I used to say this again and again, join the private, we did our homework back 9 months ago, and we were entering SHIB down here. We entered Kishu when it was down. We entered SOP when it was down. Just made a video on SOP. You can watch that. We pretty much entered everything that is pumping right now back when accumulation was happening. But there's one coin. I gave my members 10 to 9 different coins, and out of them 9 has moved or 8 has moved. There's only one that pretty much is left, and I'm willing to give this for free. If you probably have 1000 and you need to invest like 150, if I actually, let's say it's a friendly recommendation of what I could do, then do one thing: scroll down to the video, click on Discord and enter the Discord. You'll see be my friend and enter Discord. When you do that, go to Discord, click on announcement, click my name, and then message me over here and say, hey, I'm coming from the SHIB video, tell me the name of the coin and I'm going to tell you for free. Now if SHIB is in the mood of making in another flag, right, we might see a bull flag and something like this, then probably SHIB could be ready to push from there to there. I'm just going to take this one more time. Yeah, so we could be looking at another technical target in the future to 4,275, and I think that's very believable, right? So if we end up not making a flag and you try to pop down like this, then we could see that correction down to 1,500 as well. But I'm still very bullish on a higher time frame. Doesn't really matter for me because I'm a hodler for SHIB for the next coming few months. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.